Good day, everybody. How's everybody doing? I really appreciate that all of you are taking the time today to review this webinar with me. It's been almost a year now that we've been dealing with this global pandemic. I hope that you and your families and your employees and your coworkers have all stayed safe and healthy during this pandemic. It's been very tough year in 2020, so we really appreciate everything that you've done on your side in your countries to protect yourselves and to continue with the best business practices possible. This is going to be the beginning of a series of webinars that we're going to be doing starting with the Lennox mini split and light commercial products for 2021. I do want to say that I'm going to be highlighting a couple of new products that are very exciting for both 50 hertz and 60 hertz customers. So please make sure that you're taking good notes, and I will be sharing this presentation in PDF format after we are done. The content includes the Asian product line revision for mini splits in 50 hertz, mini splits in 60 hertz, light commercial in 50 hertz, light commercial in 50-60 hertz dual rated products, light commercial in 60 hertz, and then commercial package units in 60 hertz. We always start with our core values of Lennox International. Integrity. We behave in an honest and straightforward way. Respect. We respect our employees, customers, suppliers, competitors, and the communities where we work and live. Excellence. We value high performance from our employees and suppliers and quality in our products and services. We deliver value to our shareholders. The Lennox commercial vision and mission statements. The vision is to be recognized as the highest quality and most innovative commercial HVAC solutions provider. The mission is to be a world-class HVAC manufacturing and distribution company focused on creating profitable growth and an exceptional customer experience while providing a great place to work. This is our product positioning map for residential up to 5 tons. As you can see, we've got a bunch of products here, including all the ducted splits from Saltillo, Mexico, and from Marshalltown, Iowa. Today, we're only going to be focusing on the Asian products that we source for our Latin American markets and the Caribbean. We're going to start off with the Asian product line mini split 50 hertz. These are the standard efficiency mini splits, model numbers LM009CICO through LM036CICO, from 9,000 to 36,000 BTUs, cooling only and heat pump, to 20 single phase 50 hertz, R410A, up to 3.46 EER, and the decibel sound level down to 26 decibels. The standard features is I-Feel function on the remote control and auto restart function. We will be going over on an independent slide on this presentation the specific functions for our various mini splits. These are the inverter mini splits in 50 hertz, model numbers LI009CICO to LI024CICO, from 9,000 to 24,000 BTUs, cooling only and heat pump, 220 single phase 50 hertz, R410A, up to 3.22 EER, and the decibel sound rating level down to 28 decibels. The standard features include I-Feel function for remote control, auto restart function, and carbon filter. We also have the options for the Wi-Fi module. This is the Asian product line mini split for 60 hertz. We start off with the standard efficiency mini splits on and off, model numbers LM009CICO to LM036 CICO, 9,000 to 36,000 BTUs, cooling only and heat pump, 115 single phase 60 Hertz in the 9 and the 12,000 BTU model, and also 230 single phase 60 Hertz for the entire range. R410A, it's NOM 23 2010 compliant, which was the previous NOM, and it is also RETIC certified for the Colombian market. It's 10 EER or 2.81 EER watts over watts. The standard features include iFeel function on the remote control, auto restart function, and X-fan function. Now we move on to the mini splits on and off 11.5 REEE, model numbers LM009 CICO to LM036 CICO, 9,000 to 36,000 BTUs, cooling only and heat pump, 115 single phase 60 Hertz for the 9 and the 12, and 230 single phase 60 Hertz for the entire range. R410A, NOM 23 2018 compliant, the current NOM, 11.5 REEE, decibel sound level rating down to 28 decibels. Standard features include the iFeel function on the remote control and auto restart function. And finally, we move on to the 3.21 ER on and off unit certified for Ecuador. Model numbers LM009 CICO to LM024 CICO, 9,000 to 24,000 BTUs, cooling only and heat pump, 115 single phase 60 Hertz in the 9 and the 12, and 230 single phase 60 Hertz for the entire line. R410A, NOM 23, also 2018 compliant, and ENEN Ecuador certification. 3.21 EER, decibel sound level rating down to 28 decibels. Standard features include iFeel function remote control, auto restart function, and it also has the option for the Wi-Fi module kit. And now we are moving on to the inverter portion of our mini split line in 60 Hertz. We have the 3.21 ER Ecuador certified product. Model numbers LI012 CICO to LI024 CICO, 12,000 to 24,000 BTUs, cooling only and heat pump, 115 single phase 60 Hertz in the 12, and 230 single phase 60 Hertz in the entire line. R410A ENEN Ecuador certification, 3.21 EER, decibel sound level rating down to 24 decibels. Standard features iFeel function remote control, auto restart function, and gold fin protection on the condenser. And here we have the mini split inverter 17 SEER, model numbers LI009 CICO to LI024 CICO, from 9,000 to 24,000 BTUs, cooling only and heat pump, 230 single phase 60 Hertz, R410A, NOM 26 certified for Mexico, AHRI and ETL, 17 SEER, average, decibel sound level rating down to 26 decibels. Standard features include iFeel function for the remote control, auto restart function, gold fin protection on condenser, photocatalytic filter, and the option for the Wi-Fi module kit. Here we have the inverter 18 SEER mini split, model numbers LI009 CICO to LI036 CICO, from 9,000 to 36,000 BTUs, cooling only and heat pump, 230 single phase 60 Hertz, R410A, NOM 26 compliant for Mexico, AHRI and ETL, 18 SEER, decibel sound level rating down to 28 decibels. Standard features include iFeel function, remote control, auto restart function, carbon filter, and also the option for the Wi-Fi module kit. Moving forward to the 21 SEER inverter, model numbers LI012 CICO to LI024 CICO, 12,000 to 24,000 BTUs, cooling only and heat pump, 230 single phase 60 Hz, R410A, NOM 26, HRI and ETL, 21 SEER, decibel sound level rating down to 28 decibels. Standard features include I-Feel function remote control, auto restart function, gold fin protection on condenser, photocatalytic filter, and also the option for the Wi-Fi module kit. And finally, we round off the line with the inverter mini split 23 SEER, model numbers LI009 CICO to LI024 CICO, 9,000 to 24,000 BTUs, cooling only and heat pump, 230 single phase 60 Hz, R410A, NOM 26 compliant, HRI and ETL, 23 SEER, decibel sound level rating down to 29 decibels. Standard features include I-Feel function remote control, auto restart function, gold fin protection on the condenser coil, and carbon filter. And these are the explanation of the benefits. The X-fan function explanation for the description is that the indoor fan will continue operation for 2 minutes in order to dry the indoor coil even though you have turned off the unit. The carbon filter option or standard feature description is the carbon filter can effectively absorb smoke, pet, and other unpleasant odors, therefore increasing the overall indoor air quality of the space. Gold fin protection description, condenser coil coated with gold fin which protects against coil in saline environments. The photocatalytic filter description, the filter can oxidize and degrade organic contaminants. It effectively eliminates bacteria, viruses, and unpleasant odors from the space, therefore increasing the indoor air quality of the space. The I-Feel function includes the unit automatically picks up the temperature at the sensor inside the remote control to more accurately cool the space based on the user's location in the room. The Wi-Fi module kit description is the kit that, when installed, allows for the user to control the temperature of the system remotely using the Lennox Wi-Fi app. The available documents in our Lennox Global website. Here you have a hyperlink to be able to just click on and go on directly to the website where all these documents are located. We have the user manual for the mini splits in English and Spanish, the service manual in English, the updated submittals in English, and the updated submittals in Spanish. The product document listing includes all of the manuals that we have in English and or in Spanish for our entire mini split line, 50 Hz and 60 Hz. Now we move forward to the Asian product line light commercial 50 Hz offering. We have the Asian product line light commercial 50 Hz inverter ERP 4.0. This is a European certified product. The capacity is up to 5 tons. R410A heat pump. It's matched specifically with the horizontal discharge condenser for this match system because of the communicating boards inside each, the evaporator indoor and the condenser outdoor. It's available from 230 single phase 50 Hz up to 4 tons and 380 three phase 50 Hz from 3 to 5 tons. Has CE European certification for electricity, and the indoor evaporators include the floor ceiling, cassette, and fan coil. Now this is a new product line that we have just recently launched. The Asian product line light commercial for 50 and 60 Hz. It's a dual rated product. We have the light commercial 16 SEER 50-60 Hertz light commercial product, capacity up to 5 tons, R410A, heat pump, also match system set with horizontal discharge condenser because of the communication boards between the evaporator and the condensing unit. It's 230 single phase 50-60 from 1 to 5 tons and 380 three phase 50 from 3.5 to 5 tons. Also CE certification. The indoor evaporators include floor ceiling, cassette, and fan coil. And now we have another new product. It's the ducted split inverter 24 volt 20 SEER. Model numbers LISCSH024 through LISCSH060. The 2/3 ton and 4/5 ton are both dual rated capacity condensers. In other words, one SKU, one cabinet has the potential of becoming a 2 or a 3 ton in the same box. And then on another cabinet, the same box, the same SKU has the potential of becoming the 4 or the 5 ton capacity outdoor unit. Cooling only and heat pump, 208 230 single phase 50-60 Hertz. AHRI and ETL in the 60 Hertz product. Model numbers LISC reach down to a decibel sound rating level of 55 decibels, very, very quiet. Standard features include inverter compressor, intelligent protection functions, gold fin protection on the condenser, expansion valve, multi-position for the indoor unit, DC motor for the indoor unit, and metallic filter. These products are also available on the Lennox Global website. We have the user and the service manual in English. We have the updated submittals in English. And we have the updated submittals in Spanish. The product document listing for this range of product is below. You can see that all of the service manuals in English are available, one service manual in Spanish, one user manual in English and in Spanish, and then all of submittals in both. And now we move forward to the Asian product line dedicated 60 Hertz. Light commercial 60 Hertz standard efficiency line, capacity up to 5 tons. Indoor evaporator works with both R22 and R410A systems. Cooling only, it can be matched with the outdoor unit's LIAC 180P431. That's the 24 volt condensing unit inverter. LISCCOCH 200U432. It's also a 24 volt inverter condensing unit. 13ACX, ML14XC1, 16ACX, all vertical discharge condensing units produced in Saltillo, Mexico. ELXC16XC1, XC16, TSA, and SSB, all vertical discharge condensing units produced in Marshalltown, Iowa. 230 single phase 60 Hertz, and indoor evaporators include floor ceiling, cassette, and fan coil. Now we have the light commercial 60 Hertz inverter 15 SEER line, capacity up to 5 tons, cooling only and heat pump, match system set with vertical discharge condenser, again, because of the communication boards between the indoor and the outdoor unit. 230 single phase 60 Hertz. It's AHRI and ETL certified in 60 Hertz. The indoor and outdoor units cannot be matched with other equipment. Please do not try to match these outdoor units with a different indoor that does not have the system match set, and vice versa. Okay? The indoor evaporators is floor ceiling and cassette. This line is available only in 3 tons and 5 tons. Light commercial 60 Hertz inverter 18 SEER horizontal discharge product. heat pump, R410A, match system set with horizontal discharge condenser, single phase 60 Hertz, NOM 26 compliant, AHRI and ETL. Again, indoor and outdoor units cannot be matched with other equipment for the same reason as previously stated, that the indoor and outdoors have their boards for communication. Indoor evaporators include the floor ceiling, cassette, and fan coil. This line is available from 1 tons to 5 tons. The light commercial controls for these products include the standard remote control for the evaporators, floor ceiling, and cassette. And the fan coil has standard remote control and wired control in the box. This is our current ducted split inverter, 24 volt 18 SEER, model numbers LIAC 024 to LIAC 060, 2 to 5 tons, cooling only and heat pump, 208 230 single phase 60 Hertz. It has certifications with AHRI, NOM 11, ETL, and RETIC for Colombia. The models LIAC go down to 75 decibels in their sound level rating. The standard features include inverter compressor, low pressure switch, high pressure switch, expansion valve, multi-position, and ECM blower motor. These product documents are also available on the Lennox Global Light Commercial website. We have the user manuals in English and Spanish. We have the service manual in English. We have the updated submittals in English. We have the updated submittals in Spanish. And here's the product document listing for this light commercial range of product. Now we move forward to our commercial package units 13 SEER, model numbers LEE 036 through LEE 060, 3 to 5 tons, cooling only, 208 230 single phase 60 Hertz, R410A, HRI and ETL certified, 13 SEER, horizontal discharge dedicated product, scroll compressor, and the decibel sound ratings for the LEE package unit goes down to 60 decibels. Here we have the 14 SEER heat pump package unit, model numbers LPH 024 to LPH 060, 2 to 5 tons, heat pump, 208 230 single phase 60 Hertz, 14 SEER, HRI, also horizontal discharge dedicated, scroll compressor, low pressure switch, high pressure switch, loss of charge switch, slide out blower, and the LPH decibel sound level rating goes down to 58 decibels. And we conclude with the new 16 SEER inverter package unit, model numbers LPH 036 through LPH 060, 3 to 5 tons, heat pump, 208 230 single phase 60 Hertz, 16 SEER, horizontal discharge, inverter compressor, 2-stage evaporator fan motor, electronic expansion valve, bluefin coated indoor and outdoor coils, and the LPH decibel sound level rating goes down to 61 decibels. These products are also available with documents on our Lennox Global website. We have the installation and user manuals in English and Spanish, service manuals in English, updated submittals in English, and updated submittals in Spanish. And finally, we have our product document listing for this package unit range of product. We are still working on several manuals for this listing. Again, thank you very much for your participation in this webinar. I wish you, your employees, your coworkers, and your families all the best during this time. Hopefully, we're starting to see a little bit of light at the end of the tunnel. I look forward to working with all of you again this year very closely. And I have no doubt that we're going to have an excellent year of success, lots of business, lots of health. And if any of you need anything from me at any point, please do not hesitate to send me an email. You all have my email. And I wish you the best. Thank you again, and stay safe.